Join me as I try to extract tomato branches using just water and see if I can get some awesome lemongrass growth tips along the way. Hey there gardeners, in this video you'll learn how to extract tomato branches using water and some handy tips for growing lemongrass. Many gardeners struggle with propagation methods and often waste resources on ineffective techniques. This can be frustrating, especially when you've invested time and money into your garden. Having a reliable method for propagating plants can make all the difference. But it's not always easy to find a technique that works consistently. You might have tried different methods, from using rooting hormone to misting systems, but still haven't found the right approach. This is where water propagation comes in. A simple, low-cost way to multiply your plants. But before we dive into the step-by-step process, it's essential to understand the benefits of water propagation. Not only does it increase your chances of success, but it also reduces the risk of root bounce and transplant shock. This leads to healthier plants that require less maintenance and care. One of the main reasons gardeners fail with propagation is due to a lack of patience and understanding of the underlying principles. By grasping the fundamentals of water propagation, you'll be able to troubleshoot common issues and adapt the technique to suit your specific garden needs. We'll explore the step-by-step process of selecting the right tomato branches, preparing them for water propagation, and the optimal conditions for growth. The first step is to choose healthy, vigorous branches with plenty of nodes. Nodes are the small bumps on the stem where roots are most likely to form. Next, you'll need to prepare the branches by removing lower leaves and trimming the stem at an angle. This helps the cutting absorb water more efficiently and promotes root development. Now, it's time to set up your water propagation station. Simply place the cuttings in a glass or jar filled with clean, filtered water and ensure that the nodes are fully submerged. To increase the chances of success, make sure to maintain a consistent water temperature between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and provide indirect light. You can also add a few drops of rooting hormone to the water for an extra boost. Watch as we reveal the surprising benefits of using this method, including quicker root development and healthier plants. One of the most significant advantages of water propagation is that it allows you to monitor the progress of your cuttings closely. You'll be able to see the roots developing in real time, giving you a sense of accomplishment and motivation. Another benefit is that water propagation reduces the risk of overwatering, which is a common mistake when growing tomatoes. By using water, you can avoid the guesswork of figuring out how much moisture your plants need. This method also allows you to propagate multiple plants at once, making it an efficient way to scale up your garden production. Finally, water propagation is an excellent way to grow lemongrass, which can be notoriously difficult to cultivate from seed. By using this method, you'll be able to produce a bounty of lemongrass in no time, perfect for adding a burst of citrus flavor to your cooking. To recap, you've learned how to easily propagate tomato branches in water and some additional tips for nurturing lemongrass. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below, share your own tips, and don't forget to check out our other gardening videos.